Welcome, everyone. I hope you all had a great summer, and this is the weekly agenda for philosophy for 817. What will you be learning this week? Well, in your philosophy textbook, there is an introduction to doing philosophy. And you'll see that we want to get beyond buzzwords. We want to talk about articulation and argument and doing philosophy with style. As an assignment, I'd like you to read the introduction to the textbook, The Big Questions, but only up to the section called A Little Logic. You don't have to read the entire textbook, and we'll have a little quiz on this section next week, but we'll go through it in class before that. Anyway, I hope you had a great summer, and I am super excited to see you all face to face.